My name is Anderson Baca. I am an electrician and a company cable. I live with my wife, my daughter, and my mother-in-law. I am from Cali, and my travel experience is the next. My last vacation was in the city of Cartagena. I went with my wife and my daughter. The dinner place was scary but very exciting. We had collected some money, and it was possible to enjoy this splendid journey. There we visited some friends, and we were in some emblematic place of the city. The castle of San Felipe, the old city, the monument to her church. And another exciting thing was to be in the theater and enjoying delicious seafood. It was a great thing, sad trip. Some tips when you go to Cartagena, I say it's necessary to wear comfortable clothes. It's important to wear hydrated weather on juice. It's advisable to wear sunglasses. It's better to protect your skin. Your skin is advisable to use sunscreen. It's necessary that you wear the hat. It's very important that you wear flat beds. Step 3. People should go to Castle of San Felipe Barajas. It's advisable go to last Sunday of the month. It's important because it's free for the people Colombian. As cultural learning, they should visit the Wall of Cartagena. It was one of the most important parts in America. Think the weather in Cartagena is very hot. You should wear long pants. Other thing, what tag? No tag. Tag no. To note, you should not leave children alone in the beach.